In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a text-to-speech tool using ChatGPT completely free and without any limitations. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's jump right into it. This is a fantastic tool if you're looking to convert written text into spoken words seamlessly. Whether you want to listen to your favorite story, a motivational quote, or even your own written content, it's all pretty easy to do. First, you need to start by opening your web browser. This can be Chrome, Firefox, or whatever you prefer. Once you have it open, head over to Google. Some of you might think this is an unnecessary step, but trust me, Google is your gateway to finding ChatGPT, the place where all the magic happens. Now that you're on Google's homepage, go to the search bar and type in ChatGPT. This will help you navigate directly to the right website without the confusion of landing on unrelated links. After hitting Enter, you'll be greeted with a list of search results. What you want to do is look for the link that takes you directly to the official ChatGPT website. Clicking on the official site ensures you are accessing the legitimate service that provides the text-to-speech feature and safeguarding your experience. Once you reach the ChatGPT webpage, it's time to decide on the text you want to convert to speech. Take a moment here, think about what you'd like to hear out loud. It could be anything from a passage, from a story, to an insightful quote, or even your own written work. This flexibility is one of the coolest aspects of using ChatGPT. After you've settled on the content you want, go ahead and type that text into the designated field on the ChatGPT website. Ensure it's exactly how you want it, because this is what the tool will utilize to generate the spoken version. Now that your prompt is all typed out, it's time to make some magic happen by finding the Submit button. Give that button a click, and what you just did is send your text to the system. It'll take just a moment or two to generate a response that can subsequently be read aloud. Now, here comes the exciting part, the part you've been waiting for. Once the response is ready, look for the 3 dotted lines in the interface, which you typically find around the chat window. When you click on those dots, a drop-down menu will appear, offering additional options like copying the text or enhancing the view. But what you're specifically on the lookout for is the Read Aloud option. Select that, and just like that, you're going to hear your text spoken out loud. And there you have it, a simple, free, and unlimited way to generate speech from text right there using ChatGPT. This tool is especially beneficial for those who prefer auditory learning, need assistance composing spoken versions of their written work, or simply enjoy hearing their content read back to them. The interface of ChatGPT is designed to be smooth and accessible, making it a user-friendly resource that anyone can engage with. No matter if you're using this for educational purposes, content creation, or just for a bit of fun, you now have the ability to turn any piece of text into audio quite easily. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful for you. As you get more familiar with the platform, feel free to explore further and personalize your prompts to suit your needs. Thanks for joining me in this exciting tutorial today. I can't wait to see you in the next one.